Yeah, only 350 cattle yard here today in Mossvale. Job was a bit cheaper all the way through. Best of the cows making up to $2.60. A lot of plainer cows making $2.40 to $2.60, and a few bad eyes or bad constitution only making $2.10. However, the young cattle sold trade very, very strong. Here's the market.
With a yarding of only 4 heavy bulls here today, bulls topped at $2.24 and a limited number of buyers operating.
Same market here today, fair bit stronger. The heavier ones here making about $4.50.
Weighing 400 odd. Yeah, about 60 feet of steers yard here today. Market was still probably pretty firm. They made from $3.95 through to $4.22. Consistently, all the black steers making $4.05 to $4.20. What are you worried he's going to get me?
Very few restock cattle here today. These steers here about 250 kilos, coming in at about 500 cents.